Okay, this is the Ugly Duckling supercapacitor battery pack charging circuit. And what we start with here is the 500 rated farad 2.7 volt supercapacitor, which are actually about 300 farads, and obviously not going to give you 2.7 volts either. But the thing that most people will tell you when it comes to charging your capacitors is you need some sort of a voltage and amperage limiter circuit to reduce your USB voltage down to the capacitor voltage and not overcharge your capacitors. So in my case, I just had some old battery packs laying around with the dead batteries in them, and one of them was a 1 amp battery pack, about 5 years old. That's the charging circuit on it. And this one was a 1 amp 2 amp, a 10,000 milliamp hour rated battery pack that had died. And I pulled the circuit boards, charging circuit boards, and out of those battery packs, and just set them up as the voltage current limiters to charge the capacitors. And this is the results that were obtained. Is in series. I got 2.9 volts of charge on these two capacitors, and if I take my voltmeter out and read in the middle, then we can see that we get about 1.5 volts in the single capacitor mode there. And that's the short and the long. It was free and it was quick, and if you are in a pinch for a supercapacitor charging circuit board, then these old battery pack circuit boards will do the job for charging up your supercapacitors. They've got all the goodies in there for limiting whatnot the voltages. So that's just a quick idea for anyone that's interested in this sort of thing to try it out. I'm not terribly impressed with the supercapacitors, but it was worth a shot just to